Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Learn Ethical Hacking from Zero using OverTheWire Bandit. And this is the level 28th and episode 25th. So, in today's level, the level goal is there is a GitHub repository running at this point, and this is the actual directory. You can say the actual path of the directory which we need to clone it out. And this is the pod number specification, and the password for the Git account is same as this user. So the password is same as the password we got for the previous level. Okay. And in this level, we are going to use our local machine, the host machine, my Kali Linux, which is pretty simple. Let me exit it. Okay, so now we need to clone the repository and find the password for the next level. And the requirements of this level is simple. Git should be installed locally in the machine. So first of all, let's come into our shell and rm. Okay, so if you are thinking what I did, so I did nothing. I just removed this repo directory from my shell because I was recording for the Hindi channel. So that is not much big deal. So first of all, we need to check whether Git is installed in our system or not. So for that, we are going to use this command git dash dash version. Man, what is this slash? Okay. So we got the version. If Git is not installed in your system, then the version will not be shown up here. So you need to check, is Git already installed? If you are using Kali Linux, then it's pre-installed. But if not, then you can install like sudo apt install. Okay. And press enter, then it will ask for password. And after giving the password, if already installed, then good. If not, then it will do installing. Okay. So let's clear the screen and let's log in. So for logging in, we need to clone the repository. So let's copy the link first. And we need to do some modifications like we got this thing, but the thing is that we are not going to use it directly, because if we will use this directly like git clone. So if you are wondering like what is this command git clone, then git is the thing which we are using GitHub. We need to copy this. So this is a short form which is used for using the git command. And cloning is cloning the repo. And if you don't know what repo, then let's go to GitHub. And okay, just a minute. Let me give this thing. That is the thing. Leave it. So here you can see, let's say pipa. Here you can see these are the repositories, but we'll something. So if we go on pick, okay, it's official Python 1. So here you can see code. Here you can see the link. The same link is here. So if you will copy that link, then you can copy this repository. And what means by copying? All the files like project.tuml, .py file, md file, readme file, everything from these will be copied. So this is the thing which is going to be copied if we are giving the git clone command. So then we are giving this thing like, but not exactly, but let's show this up. So control set V, and when I will press enter, it will say that cloning, but the thing is that we are in the SSH server, right? So the port number is specified in the question for this thing. Because if this will not come properly, then the main thing is that port number are the thing which needed to be specified if you are using any server for a particular work. And the particular work here is that the file or the directory is hosted exactly on that port number. So we need to specify the port number. So let's edit something. So let's go to this. Yes, if you remember, then SSH, then this, then username at the rate, then IP. IP is here. Then after IP, we need to give the port number. So let's come and give here the port number. So this double follow 2220, I think so. Press enter. Boom, it got successful. But here is the twist. We need the previous, the level password of this. So for that, we are going to give the password, which we got from the previous level. If you give the correct password, then it will show remote and enumerating and all the things done, 100% done. When I give the command ls, here you can see the repo. So let's go inside the repo now. And again ls. Okay, there is a single file. Pretty easy. So, what is this? So, okay, we got the password. It was a very easy room. We don't need to do any kind of task. We don't need to find anything. We just got the password directly. So it was very easy. This room was for understanding. I think so. This was a very basic and fundamental because this is just the starting of the Git. Okay. So I hope if you did not understood the room, then the thing here is that you don't know about the GitHub, you don't know about the Git commands. This is a very basic and fundamental room which helps user if they don't know about Git and GitHub. Okay. I hope you like this room. If you like this room, then kindly share and if anybody who needs it. So this was all in this video. Let's see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Bye, very guys. And have a kind.